If you're watching this video, it's because you'd like to learn more about circle area. So we will go through a couple word problems together and understand the concept better. David goes on a Ferris wheel at Rome. He is afraid of heights, so he asked the man how tall the wheel is. The worker told him that the height of the Ferris wheel was 61.5 meters in diameter. David was wondering what the surface area of the Ferris wheel is. So, first you have to find the radius of the Ferris wheel, which is the diameter divided by 2, because the radius is half of the diameter. When you plug in the numbers and solve everything, your answer should be 30.75 meters. Next, you need to use the formula for area, which is pi r squared. Plug in the radius for the equation and solve it. Your final answer should be 2,970.57 meters squared. So the surface area of the Ferris wheel would be 2,970.57 meters squared. A car that could fit a tire that had a top surface area of 315 inches squared. If you bought a tire with a radius of 13 inches, would the tire fit? So this example is straightforward. All you need to do is use the formula for area of a circle and plug in the radius into the equation, which is 13, and then your answer should come up to be 530.93 inches squared. So no, the tire would not fit because they would be too big. The diameter of a dime is 17.91 millimeters. If a button's diameter is twice as large as that of the dime, what is the area of the button? So, to find the radius of the button, you have to multiply the diameter of the dime by 2 because the button is twice as large than the dime. Since the radius is exactly half of a diameter, we have to divide the diameter in half. Before you plug in your numbers and do the math, notice that multiplying and dividing by 2 cancel each other out. Your answer should be 17.91 millimeters for the radius. So, the last step is to find the area of the button. We have to use the formula for the area of a circle, pi r squared, and plug in the number 17.91 millimeters into the equation. When you do that and solve the entire equation, your final answer should be 1007.72 millimeters squared. The area of the button is 1007.72 millimeters squared. I wish this helped you understand how to figure out the area of circles better.